Hey guys, so today we're off to Auckland for Kayson's cleft lip surgery. Pi's just in New World at the moment getting some bits and pieces before we leave.
How's it guys? We're just in just out of Whangarei, just letting Kayson have some time alone, time out of the seat before we get going again, have a kai and stuff. See that.
So I made it to the hospital. Hey, we got our own room, so that's pretty lucky, eh, Kayson?
So you gotta make your own bed too?
Okay. I'll make it. Is that recording? Not that.
Yeah, that was true, that's weird, eh? I feel it's in for the kiddie, it's not for the parenting. The room. Oh, hi Kayson. Hi. Hi Kayson. Hi. Hi Kayson. Here's the Kayson. Oh, right. Here's the Kayson.
We're here at Middlemore Hospital for Kayson's operation tomorrow. He's asleep at the moment, so I just thought I'd pop on and update you guys. We arrived here at 1:15, 1:30 today, and we've been on the ward since. He's had all his obs and everything, and everything's looking good, so we're all go for tomorrow, which is exciting. We'll see what tomorrow brings. His operation's not till the afternoon, so we've got a bit of waiting around to do yet, so that's the hard part.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say my name's Cara.
I'm here.
Where are you? Where are you? You at the hospital? You in the hospital?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where's Kayson?
No.
Gone where? You miss him?
What? Cheese.
It's 3:30 in the morning, so we're pretty much 12 hours post-op.
How's it, guys? It's the third night today. Kayson's doing pretty fine. He had his surgery yesterday. It was pretty good. The cleft team did a good job. Yeah. We got one more night here. Then we'll be heading off back to Auckland. Yeah. Thanks for being on our journey. Oh, how's that, Nace? How's your time in the hospital in Miramore?
Pretty good.
How's the staff? How are they treating you?
They're pretty good. They're nice.
Yeah. How was it when you had to leave Kayson, sorry, in the theatre room?
Pretty sad.
Yeah. How was the emotions? Was it pretty on the high?
Yep. It was pretty sad.
Yeah.
But I just gave him to the team outside the theatre.
Okay.
And then they took him in and put him to sleep.
How long was the surgery?
It was like 2.5 hours.
How were you feeling when he was in the surgery part?
Nervous?
Yeah. How's that sandwich? Hospital sandwich?
Gross.
Nervous. What else?
Just nervous.
Yeah.
What's that?
Huh?
That's it. Just nervous.
How did you feel when you came out? What was your first opinion of him when he first came out? What did you reckon? Did he look the same?
No, it looked way different. Had a few tears.
Yeah.
It was scary seeing your kid all dozy.
What was the funny part of it?
The funny part of the whole experience.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What was one of the memories?
The surgeon coming to see him after surgery.
Yeah. What happened?
It gave us a bit of a scare. In case I was asleep. And then he came in. And then he's like, oh, he's still asleep. He's breathing away, isn't he? I was like, oh, I think so. Then he had to go and check his oxygen levels. But he was all good. Just a bit pale. But it's funny after the fact.
Yeah, it's pretty scary though, eh?
What did you think of the whole experience?
What did I think? Oh, it's pretty stressful. But we got to play with Carter a little bit. Yeah, you can take him to the what's the school thing called?
Yeah, the playroom.
The playroom. Yeah, it's got a lot of toys, a lot of activities that your children can do. Yeah, it's quite nice staff in there. Really chattable. Yeah, pretty good experience.
We are about, what are we, Kayson? 28 hours post-op. And we're off home tomorrow, so this is our last night in Middlemore. Everyone here has been so lovely. Yeah, it's been an experience, that's for sure. Hey Kayson, and poor little arm splints over here. But yeah, we're looking forward to heading home tomorrow. And yeah. It's 5 o'clock in the morning here at Middlemore Hospital in kids first. We're in Pod B on level 1. So we've been here for, this will be day 4, 3 nights. Kayson had a really good night. Well, he's had a really good time altogether actually, considering everything. But he had an awesome night last night, so we're not expecting to get out of here late. We're hoping to be out before lunchtime, but we'll see what the doctors say when they come around. But yeah, all's looking really well. We've got quite a drive home, which sucks, and it'll be interesting to see how Kayson goes with no dummy. See what time we get back. That could be quite interesting. Carter's going back with my mum and dad. He came down with them as well, just to make things easier for us. So we can stop as much as Kayson needs to.
G'day guys, yeah, we're off home now. We're nearly at home, about 45 minutes. Then we'll be back in Kakui, or Kakui. Yeah, I'm just giving Kayson a bit of a feed, bit of a stretch. Yeah, then we'll be at home. See you there.